are the fields. When the water level in the water body rises up, it goes to this flood alert system, and this system gives signal to these people who are staying here, and then they'll come to know that there is going to be flood, and they will evacuate from this place. This is our project. In Uttarakhand, if this system would have been there, then many people would have stayed.